Hello everyone, my name is Radi Arianto. I'm from Tasikmalaya. In this video, I want to explain about about social psychology. I have found about this material on the internet because it's very interesting for me, and I have to share about this material to you. And I think this is very incredible knowledge because I have about this knowledge on the internet, and maybe many people uh, don't heard yet about this material. And the material is about fundamental attribution error. If you if you know about many material that I have discussed before, like bystander effect, Pareto principle, or something like that, uh that's a social psychology. And I think this is very interesting for me because the material discuss about a bias psychology in real life, and many people don't know about that behavior, because this is a mistake for each person. So each person have to know about that material, and I want to explain about that more and more. And I hope if we have discussed about it, we can found new knowledge for our, so we can get a wisdom people. So fundamental attribution error is human cognition tendency to judge other person based to their internal character, and then while they look down an external an external situation. There are around that people. That is a definition about fundamental attribution error. So I just mentioned about it. Literally, I don't understand about definition, but I try to mention about definition. Uh, so I have a situation to imagine about that social psychology, like if someone drives a car, and we walk we walk beside the road, and maybe uh, that person drive a car very dangerous. So uh, we we have a very dangerous situation beside the road because uh, someone drives a car very quickly, and we can think about that behavior. She is very bad, she is very individualistic, she is madman, she is cruel and something like that. But we don't try to understand about a background behavior, because that's very interesting. If we can understand about background behavior, we can't judge about their behavior. Maybe literally a person have a segment in that car, so he needs to he needs to run their car to arrive in the hospital. And that's very interesting to know about a background situation, to avoid a bad judgment for each person. That's a fundamental attribution error. That's a picture of fundamental attribution error. And uh, I have a two definition or two differences between actor and observer bias. If we let in our job to if we want to arrive on time in our job and we late, we can say uh, in the road have a traffic jam situation. If we look other person is late in their job and we can see just their behavior, their attitude, like he's not he doesn't discipline to do their job, he is lazy or something like that. This is two differences between we are as an actor and other people as an actor too. uh, if we do a mistake, we can search many reason to write our behavior. But if we look other people to do mistake, we can say because that's because their behavior. And why the fundamental attribution error is happen to each person, because three factor like perception focus. Many people often just see a subject, and many people don't see a background of their behavior. That's very dangerous for for each person. And maybe number two, mental efficiency. We have a brain, and our brain like a shortcut to judge other people. Like we can our brain likes to judge someone, then analyze background behavior. And so to judge someone is more easily than uh, to judge someone is easier than analyze other behavior. And that's very interesting. And number three, cultural aspects. This is about the history and culture of someone live. And maybe I have read an article on the internet about cultural effects. So many people can do fundamental attribution effect in the western, like Europe or something like that, but in Asian maybe very rare to do that very behavior. And a solution of this behavior is number one, practice cognitive empathy to see to look up very situation, background of situation, so someone have to do something or something like that. Or number two, benefit of the both, uh, we can assume that other person to do something based on emergency situation, but they don't have a bad a bad a bad why I forgot about niat in English, niat yang buruk, and that's very important. And this is the description about fundamental attribution error. So I say thank you for your attention, and say I'm so sorry about my mistake to speak English. I just practice every day to practice English. And thank you for your attention. Enjoy. Have a nice day. Thank you for your watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.